What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Asics Gel-Kayano 20 in this blue Neptune and black colorway. This is a general release colorway of Asics Gel-Kayano 20, which originally dropped as a performance running shoe just over a decade ago. Fast forward to 2025, nowadays it's being reintroduced to us as more of a lifestyle model, coming off of an extremely successful collaboration with Bodega. So these dropped here in Canada a few weeks ago and they dropped for $170 US or $220 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is blue Neptune and black, and though there's no hype surrounding this model and it's a general release colorway, there's something about the color scheme of this shoe, specifically the shade of blue, that really caught my eye. So diving into the details of this sneaker, you'll see how the majority of the upper, the base layer is crafted out of this spacer mesh in this bright blue color. Overlaid on top of this, we have a reflective silver layer on the medial side. Surrounding the front toe cap, we have this synthetic blue layer, and it has this purple color detailing with 20th anniversary branding, where the different silhouettes of the Gel-Kayano 20 are shaped to look like the number 20. These same synthetic blue layers cover the eyelets as well, and then underneath this, we have this shiny black TPU overlay, which is done in this crisscross-like shape. This is Asics Fluid Fit technology, which gives you more of a customizable but supportive feel. Overlaid on top of this, we have more synthetic blue layers. This forms the shape of the Asics stripe. This is done in a mix of black, purple, and light blue. And then we have Gel-Kayano 20 branding visible on the lateral side towards the heel. On the bottom of the heel, we have a black colored shiny TPU heel clip. This gives you structure and support around the back end of the shoe. And in the center, we have gel branding done in this neon yellow color. In terms of laces, this pair only comes with one lace option, and they're an oval-shaped blue-colored lace with purple-colored detailing on the edges. Underneath this, the tongue is crafted out of that same spacer mesh that we saw earlier on the body of the shoe. In the middle, we have this woven strip with 20 branding. This helps to hold the laces in place. And then on the top of the tongue, fused on, we have Asics branding in yellow. The back of the tongue and the interior of the shoe, this is covered in this patterned black colored textile, and then for the insoles, these come with a very well padded foam lined insole. It's also covered in black on top, and again we have that Gel-Kayano 20 branding where it's shaped like the number 20. This is pressed onto the heel in yellow. And then underneath the insole, we also have a secondary layer of foam where the strobel is. This gives you added comfort as well. So the upper of the shoe sits atop a dual density foam setup where it's colored in light blue and off-white. So the two layers of foam are a little bit different in density. One layer is a little bit firmer, giving you more support, whereas the secondary layer is a little bit more plush and a little bit softer. In addition to the foam, we also have Asics gel technology. This is visible on the lateral heel and forefoot in this neon color, and this helps with impact protection and shock absorption. And then for the outsole, this is done primarily in this light blue colored rubber. We have these grooves on the forefoot to give you some added flexibility. And then in the middle of this, we have Asics Trust Stick technology, which is the shiny black TPU shank plate. This helps with torsional rigidity, mid-foot support, and helps prevent your foot from twisting and turning when you're walking or running. So that breaks down the look and the construction of this pair. And for those wondering about how these fit, more or less these do run true to size. So in my case, I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me very comfortably. Keep in mind they're a little bit more on the snug side, so I feel like they run a little bit tighter than a Gel-Kayano 14 for example, but it's not snug enough that I'd want to go up half a size. So I feel like if you have a narrow, normal, or slightly wide foot, just go true to size or your normal Asics size and it should fit you fine. But if you have like a really wide foot, you might want to go up half a size, or best bet, go to a store that carries this model, try it on first to guarantee that it fits you right. Moving on to the comfort, so I'm a big fan of the comfort of this model. Right away when you put your foot inside this shoe, you can feel the softness and the plushness of this midsole, especially underneath the heel. So it has this very nice pillowy feel to it, but at the same time, it still gives you a lot of support. So especially underneath the arches of your foot, you can really feel it cradling and supporting your foot in the right places. So it's not going to be an overly soft, unstable feeling sneaker. It gives you that good balance of plushness with a lot of support, which really is the best of both worlds. So this is a model I highly recommend if you're looking for an everyday, very comfortable sneaker. Lastly, in terms of the quality and the craftsmanship, so first off, the material quality was really nothing special. Keep in mind this model, which debuted in 2013, 2014, it was originally meant to be a performance running shoe. So you're not going to expect premium suedes or leathers on this shoe. This is just your typical 2010s era running shoe turned lifestyle model. So all the materials used here are synthetic. The build of the shoe I thought was okay. There were some glue stains around the midsole area, but the panels were consistently cut and sized, and I thought the stitch job was pretty solid on the shoe too. So all in all, while the materials aren't amazing, the overall build quality I thought was solid. So with all of that out of the way now, let me toss these on feet, I'll lace them up for you, and I'll show you guys how these look. All in all, this is a great GR colorway of the Gel-Kayano 20. Because this is a GR, I feel like these will eventually go on sale down the road, but if you're looking for a comfortable, solid summer sneaker that has no hype surrounding it, this is a very solid option. So leave your thoughts down below, let me know what do you guys think about this model, and what are your thoughts on this colorway? Personally, I love this shade of blue, and I love how the neon accents really pop compared to it, but let me know what you guys think about it. And as usual, if you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can check out my social media accounts, I'll link all of that down below. And as always, appreciate your continued love and support, and I'll catch everybody in my next video.